Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to get website backlinks and build authority using HARO. Hey everyone, I'm Tia Jones with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to use HARO to build website authority and backlinks. But before I do this, please click the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. I upload digital marketing and SEO videos that will help you to generate more revenue and scale your store faster. All right, so you're a brand looking for exposure and backlinks. Well, you'll love HARO. HARO stands for Help a Reporter Out, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying it correct. I don't know if it's HARO or HARO, but I've been saying HARO for well over a decade, and I think the platform is fantastic. HARO pretty much connects journalists with experts who are happy to share their knowledge. So if you're really knowledgeable in a certain area, you can create an account with HARO and look for different media opportunities that you can respond to, right? So there's journalists looking for people that individuals or brands that can answer their questions. It's that simple. You can get published on high authority websites like what you see here, right? Fox News, Chicago Tribune, Time, Wall Street Journal, just by replying to, again, media opportunities, media inquiries. So I created an account last week and it was very easy to do. Once I signed up, I received an activation link. So what I'll do right now is show you what the dashboard looks like. It's very simple, very simple. So it has my name, my email, company, and down here you'll see the different categories that you will receive media opportunities. So I have Master HARO selected. I want to receive all the categories. So I'm just going to scan through them to see if there's any opportunity for me. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Again, it's pretty basic. So once you sign up, you receive your activation link. And once you receive your activation link, you're going to start to receive different opportunities. And you're going to receive this 3 times a day. You're going to receive it in the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. So what I've done here is I've created a filter because I don't want to see these come into my inbox because I don't like my inbox too cluttered. So this is filtered into another folder, right? So, and I also added a little color to it because I'm just like that. And you can do the same. You may want to create a filter so that you don't clutter up your inbox, and you can scan these every single day to see if there's any opportunity for you, right? So again, I created a filter. So this is what it looks like when you receive an email from them. You can see the categories here. You can see the different opportunities. The publication is always at the tail end of the opportunity, right? So you can see Live Strong, U.S. News and World Report. But what I did recently was the minute I signed up, I didn't receive my emails until I feel it was the next day, but I cannot remember. But as soon as I received it, I started to scan to see if there's any opportunities, and I stumbled upon this one right here: seeking successful e-commerce businesses that use Shopify. And this is the publication, which is the Ecom Boardroom. Of course, I clicked on it, and I'm looking here at the name of the person. Here's the category. When I reply back, I'll be replying to this email. You can see the deadline right here, and this is the actual query. So our audience is comprised of e-commerce entrepreneurs and small businesses, and they want to hear from you. We're seeking successful e-commerce businesses to answer these questions. 1, what e-commerce platform do you use for your business? And 2, what is the best way to monitor important KPIs like net profit, conversion rate, and return on ad spend across platforms? So my first thought is, I can answer this. So of course I use Shopify, and I use Report Toaster with a spreadsheet, paired with a spreadsheet, my profit and loss spreadsheet, to get my net profit and conversion rate. My net profit and my return on ad spend. So I was like, okay, I can go ahead and respond to this. So what do they want from me outside of answering these questions? They want me to be able to show that I average about $3,000 a month. Okay, got that. And provide proof of income. Okay, got that. So also include a short bio and a headshot. Got all of that. All right, so what did I do though before replying to this? I took this and I went over to Google, because I need to make sure that this this publication is legit, right? So I can see it right here. It's the e-commerce boardroom, perfect. And I also see the person has a LinkedIn, so that's even better. So I'm going to click on the website, and what I want to do is I want to check to see their authority, right? So I use an extension, the Moz extension, which can show me their page authority and domain authority. So as you can see, 43, 55, this is pretty good. So I'm definitely going to reply back to this website. They're absolutely legit. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to the LinkedIn, and I am going to connect with Charles, and in hopes that he actually replies. And I can then say, hey, I answered your question. Great question. I hope that you like my response. And, he can put an actual face to my actual response to him that was sent via email. So that's something that you may want to consider doing, checking to see if they have a LinkedIn profile. All right, so basically I responded to this email. So this is what it looks like, right? I say, happy Friday, Charlie. I'm loving your question. I'm letting him know that his answer is below, and I've also attached an MP4. I have my bio here. I kept it very short. I gave him enough information about me, let him know how much experience I have, where I've worked. I've included some links to Mastering Pop and Flower Power packages, because I'm hoping that he uses this entire bio and I get links back to my website. That is the goal, brand exposure and backlinks. So logo and headshot attached, and I'm basically telling him to have a great day, and I hope to hear from him soon, right? So the one thing that I would suggest is just offering a link to your logo and headshot. And this is what you can do if you upload your logo and headshot to a Google Drive, and just copy the link. Make sure the link is available for anyone to view. You want to make sure that you're offering them a link that they can actually view and get to the images, right? So that I'm not constantly replying and having to grab my bio and headshots, you can actually just set up a template in Gmail. A lot of people don't know this, but you can. All you got to do is go to this right here, see all settings, go to advanced, and you're going to click on templates. You want to enable templates. You'll want to enable templates. All right. So once you hit save, you're going to go back. And now if you compose an email, you can simply go to these three dots. So you're going to have to save your HARO template. So once you do that, you can just go like this. Boom, it's done. And as you can see, I have my logo and headshot here. So if I click on it, that's it. It takes them to my black logo, white logo, and a couple headshots. They're different sizes, so you may want to consider doing the same. All right, so that is basically it. The one thing that you can do after you send this, you can dive back into your HARO account right here, and you can click on my pitches. right? So seeking successful e-commerce businesses that use Shopify. So this has been accepted. Sometimes the actual journalist will give you a thumbs up, which means that they've accepted it, but that does not mean that you're going to be published. So I just want to make sure that that's clear. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, we just kind of went over how you can get brand exposure using HARO, which is help a reporter out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, leave a comment and below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to increase the volume of your first-time customers, your average order value, increase your customer purchase frequency, and second purchases, I have a free ebook available for download titled The No Fail Get More Repeat Customer System. You can download it right now. The link is in the description below.